Thank you for choosing a TV lift mechanism from tvliftcabinet.com. In this video, we'll walk you through the included parts and show you how to install your lift mechanism step by step. With the box already opened, you should see three main components: the main lifting column, the supplied parts, the control box. Inside the parts bags, you will find mounting hardware, the lower mounting bracket, TV mounting hardware, and RF remote control. To begin installation, mark the center of the bottom edge of the cabinet's back panel. Align the lower mounting bracket with this center mark and secure it using the 4 supplied mounting screws. Lower the lift column onto the lower mounting bracket and snap it into place, making sure the column is fully seated. Ensure the lift column is perfectly straight and centered within the cabinet opening. Now, secure the top of the lifting column to the rear vertical wall of the cabinet using 4 of the supplied screws. Using the remaining 4 mounting screws, mount the control box in the upper right corner of the cabinet. Be sure to leave enough space for easy access to the plugs and switches. Connect the control box to the lifting column, then secure both connections using the provided cable clamp. We recommend routing the wires through a hole in the back of the cabinet, as shown here, or through the floor of the cabinet if preferred. Next, rotate the TV mounting bracket into the horizontal position. Your lift mechanism is now ready to use. The lifting column is designed to automatically open and close a hinged cabinet lid. As the lift rises, it gently pushes the lid open. When the lift retracts, the lid closes smoothly without the need for additional hardware. If you ordered the optional fixed lid bracket, you can install it by removing the upper column section. Remove the 4 thumb bolts. Insert the fixed lid bracket into the same position and secure it using the same 4 thumb bolts as shown here. Once installed, the cabinet lid will travel up and down with the lift mechanism rather than opening independently. For added safety, we recommend attaching your fixed lid to the bracket using Velcro. Your lift is now ready to deliver years of seamless, dependable operation. For additional support, please contact us at 877-377-5435, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for watching.